Hello, and welcome to Getting Started with Windows 7, Lesson 1. In this video, we will introduce the main layout, basic tasks, and Windows 7 specific features. Ordinarily, the first step would be to turn your computer on. However, since you wouldn't be watching this video without already performing this task, let's begin by congratulating you on choosing Microsoft's most stable and user-friendly system to date. You may have noticed by now that a few things look different than in previous versions of Windows. The essential layout, however, is the same. You have a work area, known as the desktop icons, which represent shortcuts to your favorite programs, and the taskbar for quick access to already running applications. If you are just now transitioning from Windows XP or earlier systems, the biggest change you will see is that the Start button has been replaced by a small orb with the Windows logo inside. This new Start button, when clicked, will bring up the Start menu. Here, you will find a list of your most frequently used applications, shortcuts to personal documents, pictures, music, games, storage devices, the control panel, external devices, preloaded programs, and support reference material. At the bottom, you will also see an option to view all programs. These are shortcuts to all the software you currently have installed on your computer. If you open one, it will display a window on your desktop. In this example, I have chosen Internet Explorer, but most windows will share characteristics that you can use to control their size and positioning on the desktop. In the upper right-hand corner, you will see three buttons. The first button will minimize the window as an icon displayed on your taskbar. The second button will maximize the window so that it expands to the size of your desktop, and the last button will close the window permanently. Make sure any work you have completed has been saved before clicking this button. If you wish to change your window to a specific size or shape, you may move your mouse to the outer edge of the frame. When the cursor has changed to a set of outward pointing arrows, you may click and drag the frame in the desired direction. Once you have finished using your computer, you may wish to turn it off. While this is no longer necessary to preserve the performance of the system, it may help to reduce ambient noise and electricity consumption. However, be sure that you utilize the shutdown button from the Start menu. Powering off your computer with a power button or a breaker switch may cause damage to your system. Now that you know a little more on how to use Windows 7, let's finish by exploring the key features Microsoft has added to help streamline your productivity in Windows 7. Snap. Snap is used to easily organize your work area. If you click and drag the top portion of a window and drag it to the left or right edge of the screen, a rectangular box will appear covering half of either side. Letting go of the window will snap it into place. This can be useful for writing multiple documents or keeping a web page in view while you complete other tasks. Shake. Shake can be used to minimize all of your programs while leaving your active window open. Once again, click and hold the top portion of the window, move your mouse left and right as though you were shaking the window. If done correctly, the window you shook will be the only window visible on your desktop. Peek. Peek is a fast way to access icons on your desktop without minimizing all of your open windows one by one. Move your mouse to the small rectangle to the right of the time and date section of the taskbar. If you hover over it, all of your open windows will turn into rectangular borders, allowing you to see your desktop wallpaper without closing any windows. If you click the rectangle, all of your windows will minimize, giving you instant access to any shortcut on your desktop. Pinning. Pinning allows you to add any shortcut to your Start menu or taskbar. Simply right-click any file or application and select Pin to Taskbar or Pin to Start menu. Jump List. Jump List makes finding frequently used files, folders, and websites quick and painless. Right-click any pinned shortcut to display a list of previously used files within that program. Preview. Preview gives you a live glimpse of any window while it's minimized. Just move your mouse over any open program icon on the taskbar and hover there for approximately 1 second. A row of small boxes with a live preview of each open window will appear. You can hover each of these to see a larger preview on your desktop. Libraries. Libraries are where you can find all of the pictures, music, movies, and documents in your user folder in one handy location. No matter what folder they are actually located in, they will appear in these library folders. Search. Search is located on the Start menu or the upper right-hand corner of any open folder window. You can type in the name of your favorite file or program, and a list of search results will appear. This concludes Lesson 1. If you would like to find more information about this program, please visit us online at www.thenerddoctor.com.